So we are back again with another Voltas Beko product. This time we have bought a dryer. This is not a conventional dryer, it's a heat pump based dryer. The model number is WDR80S. So it's based on heat pump technology. So basically the heat pump technology is better than conventional technology because it doesn't take the outer air and converts it into hot air and passes through the cloth. It doesn't do that. So a heat pump dryer is better because it consumes less electricity. It's basically like a small AC that you fit inside your room. You are fitting an AC inside the clothing dryer unit. It is absorbing the moisture from the clothes and then condensating it, and you are just drying out the water in a way AC dehumidifies the room. So basically what it does is, after the air passes through the drum, it goes through the evaporator, which removes the moisture and which is then collected in the condensation and stored in a tank. So this is the front side of the dryer. So this is where the condensation box is there, where the water is getting collected. You can always connect the outlet pipe from beneath and you won't need this condensation box. So what exactly is the condensation box? It's basically collecting all the moisture from the clothes here, and in this box the water is getting collected. So you have seen the outlet pipe in an AC, right? What it does is AC collects the moisture from the room and throws it out from that pipe. So basically for this heat pump dryer, dryer, what is happening is that pipe is connected here and the water is getting collected here. So once the water gets full in this tank, you will get a light indicator here to empty the tank. So first of all, we need to take out this plastic. This is a safety cover for drums so that they don't get damaged during transportation. Just pull it out and this thing will come out. So this is to keep the drum in place while the thing is transported. What else do you get? Let's open it. What is it? Okay, so this is a filter that we will show you where it should be placed, and this is the pipe, outlet pipe I was talking about. We will show you how to fit it so that you don't need this tray to be emptied again and again. So once you fit this outlet pipe, you won't need this tray to collect the condensated water or the water from the clothes. Okay, let's keep it aside. You get a booklet, Voltas Beko instruction manual. Okay, important thing. So this is a A++ rated washer dryer. A++ means it's very efficient in terms of other dryers. So it consumes 235 kilowatt hour of electricity per year, which is very less compared to conventional ones. They consume almost twice of it, almost 450, 460. All the conventional dryers, they consume almost double the electricity. So this is one benefit of this dryer, apart from the other benefit that it doesn't make your room humid, because it is just taking out the water and collecting it in a box or just giving it out. And this is the 8 kg dryer. This is the user manual. We should read it before doing anything. Actually, I've read it somewhere, so I'm going to skip some of the parts. Now let me show you these are the lint filters. These are called the lint filters that we need to wash after every wash. It's common with every dryer. It's not just like this. This is how the dryer lint filter looks. It opens up like this, and there is this mesh kind of thing where the lint will be collected. Always keep it clean. This will make sure that your dryer is working properly. It's written clean the filter after each use, as I was saying. Fit the outlet and we will be done with this collecting tray. Oh, before I forget, let me show you the other things that this dryer has. If you press this button, you will find this small portion. So you have to open the 3 red color clips. Just move it anti-clockwise. Okay, this is the filter that we just saw. So they have given one extra filter here. So you have to clean this one as well. I think there's a sign. I'll have to read how to remove it. I don't want to take chances. I think it will be like this. Okay, I got it. So this is how the filter opens. As you see that this filter goes in here. You have got one extra pair. I don't think you will need it very often to be changed, so let's not worry about it. This is sponge like material that you need to keep here. That's it. Need to clean this one, and that's it. There's a condensing I don't know if you can see it. It's a condensing coil like you see in AC's outer unit. Sometimes if it is dirty, just clean it by using a brush. They should have given a brush. For some reason they have not given. A brush would have been really handy. Fine, let's fit this one. Clean the filter unit after every 5 use. Okay, so this is important information. So clean it after every 5 use. So after using it 5 times, you have to clean this one. This one doesn't open, this one has a screw. Cool, let's go to the back side and fit this pipe. Okay, so now we will be connecting the outlet pipe. So we are cutting the zip tie here. Okay, so we have removed the wire. Now this is the pipe, if you can see, that we need to remove and connect this one. As you can see, it has come out. Let's connect this one. See, same size. Don't need to worry about the size. Okay, this is fit properly. Just insert it a bit. That's it, and you are done. This is the drainage pipe for you. Now you no longer need that bin to collect wastewater. We have read some reviews where it says that if you keep water in your that collector, then the clothes sometimes stink. We haven't used our machine, so we don't know it, but we prefer to use the outlet pipe because it is very easy to connect. So let's start by putting our dryer to the right place where we want. We are hoping to put it on top of our stacking in on top of our washing machine. Let's hope that we are going to do it. So after lots of hard work, we have finally managed to stack our dryer on top of our BPL washing machine. So the length of the BPL washing machine was almost similar to the for Voltas Beko dryer, but the width was somewhat Voltas has a bigger width, so we have tried to center the dryer as much as possible. It's not moving anywhere. So if you look at the centered spirit level, it's almost at equal. So it is equal almost everywhere on all four corners. And similarly it's there on the back side. I'm not going to show it to you. So this is how the dryer looks. So if you open it, a light comes up. The steel drum looks very pretty. It's kind of fixed, so this drum won't revolve, I guess. Only air will come. Oh, it is moving. So the drum will move. It's not that free for some reason. Okay, so we are going to rest this for 12 hours and then we will start with our drying tomorrow.